Let me introduce Jetfairy.ai. Jetfairy is a world-leading self-service advanced BI platform. In today's data-driven age, conquering the digital divide is critical for enterprise success. Your enterprise today is at a critical crossroads. You have tons, no mountains of data. You know there's a wealth of business value hidden inside it. You know that it's possible to get it out. Traditional thinking says the solution is simple. Throw people and processes at the problem. Plan what you want, define your portfolio of reports, MIS, etc., budget it out, hire a team, build that business knowledge understanding, define clear goals, and let them be at it. And after a few hit and trials, you should start seeing workable output. The first impactful insights within 12 months and game-changing breakthroughs coming within 2 to 3 years. 2 to 3 years? That's an awfully long time. 2 years ago, who had heard of AI? Now it's the hype, but few actually understand it. You've read about its benefits. You understand that it's based on sound mathematical foundations and proofs. You have heard amazing success stories, maybe even with a pinch of skepticism. You may not believe all of it, but maybe you are open to trying it out if the risks and costs are controllable. And then other thoughts cross your mind. Our data is scattered, spread across multiple sources, different formats from data warehouses to even plain old Excel sheets. These do not talk to each other. Technology is complex, and you don't want to be spending time learning APIs or programming. You already have too many things to do. Besides, you would rather spend time finding ways to meet your business targets and grow your business rather than on tech stuff. Now, imagine, wouldn't it be great if you could find an AI tool that could help you bridge these gaps? Something where you could easily, say for a business problem, just plug in data across different data sources, across different formats, choose what information you need to help you see and understand the problem from a data perspective. And we're talking a timeline of hours, not days or weeks. Let's call this proof point number 1. The next step would be to dig deeper into the data. Identify operational bottlenecks, clearly identify trends, patterns, and cost drivers, set up triggers on operational anomalies. Again, with a timeline in hours, not weeks. Let's call this proof point number 2. The third proof point would be try to get your reports quickly without the wait, without having any technology or IT dependency, without the headache of maintaining those reports. Wouldn't you love to have a self-service BI tool that empowers the business user? You know, something like Excel for enterprise data, but something lightning fast. We're talking hours, not days or weeks. Let's call this proof point number 3. Jetfairy.ai delivers on these 3 proof points. It leverages artificial intelligence and technology to empower businesses to start getting business value from their data. It liberates you, the decision maker, to actually act at the right time and not wait for the IT team. Don't believe me? See it for yourself. All it takes is a couple of hours. Start getting answers now.